Before buying puck lights, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, MG Gore Motion Sensor Lights. We have the MG Gore 10-inch under cabinet lighting. Priced at $26.99, these rechargeable motion sensor lights caught my eye with their sleek design and impressive features. If you want lighting that turns on when you need it, this is worth a serious look. What really sets these apart is the upgraded motion sensor. It detects movement within a 120-degree angle and up to 10 feet away, automatically turning on and off after 20 seconds of no movement. This means no more fumbling around for a light switch in the dark, which is a game changer for safety and convenience. Plus, they have 5 brightness levels, so you can adjust them for everything from reading to creating a cozy ambiance without disturbing anyone. Now, some people complained about the battery life not lasting as long as expected on continuous use. Here's the thing though, if you primarily use the motion sensor mode, it can last up to 45 days on a single charge, depending on your usage. If you need bright, constant light for long periods, you might want to consider other options, but for those who want motion-activated lighting, these are fantastic. This is perfect for you if you're looking for easy-to-install lights for your kitchen or closet. Skip this one if you need something that can provide consistent brightness for hours. For the price, it's a solid investment in your home lighting. Now, if the battery life of the MG Gore lights is a concern for you, the next product takes a different approach.
Product number 2, Amazon Basics Puck Lights. We have the Amazon Basics LED Puck Lights. At just $7.32 for a tube rock, these lights are super affordable and perfect for tight budgets. If you want a simple, no-fuss lighting solution, definitely check these out. These puck lights provide 50 lumens of light, making them great for illuminating small spaces like cabinets and shelves. You can easily turn them on or off just by pushing the LED lens, which is really convenient when your hands are full. They're battery operated, so there's no messy wiring involved, and you can install them using either screws or the included double-sided tape. This means you can stick them anywhere you need extra light without any hassle. However, some users mentioned that they felt the brightness was insufficient for larger areas. Here's my take. If you're using these specifically for small spaces, they work wonderfully. But if you need powerful light for bigger rooms, these might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want an easy, budget-friendly lighting option for small cabinets or dark corners. Skip this one if you need high-intensity lighting for larger spaces. For the price, you can't really go wrong here. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3, Insignia Recessed Ceiling Lights. We have the Insignia 12-pack 6-inch LED recessed ceiling light, priced at $56.68. What grabbed my attention is its dimmable feature and color switching capability. If you need functional yet stylish lighting, this is definitely worth considering. These recessed lights allow you to switch between 5 different color temperatures, from warm white to daylight, which means you can customize the ambiance of your space based on your mood or time of day. Each light delivers 1200 lumens at just 12 watts, cutting energy bills by 90% compared to traditional bulbs while providing superior brightness. Plus, their ultra-thin design requires minimal clearance, fitting where standard lights might not. On the flip side, some buyers mentioned installation could be a bit tricky if you're not handy. But here's the thing. Once they're in, you won't need to change them for years thanks to their 50,000-hour lifespan and maintenance-free design. For those who are comfortable with a bit of DIY, the longevity makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a long-lasting, energy-efficient lighting solution that looks modern. Skip this one if you're not into DIY projects or need something super easy to install right away. For a pack of 12, you're getting great value here. Now, if you're looking for something even easier to install, let's talk about the next product.
Product number 4, Easy Valo Rechargeable Puck Lights. The Easy Valo 6-pack under cabinet lighting, priced at $27.98. What I love about this set is how customizable it is. If you want flexibility in lighting, this is a strong contender. These puck lights can switch between 3 white color temperatures and even offer 12 RGB colors for a fun, dynamic look. Plus, they come with a motion sensor and a remote control, making it super convenient to manage multiple lights at once. With motion detection up to 10 feet away, you can set it to activate when you walk into a room. It's perfect for areas where you might need light but don't want to reach for a switch. However, some users have pointed out that the remote doesn't always work perfectly.
Honestly, I found this to be a minor inconvenience. As long as the lights are installed in accessible areas, you can always turn them on by hand if needed. The added features and versatility make it a worthwhile pick, regardless. This is perfect for you if you're looking to add some personality to your lighting while enjoying practical features. Skip this one if you need something that works perfectly without any quirks. For the price and variety, it's a great deal. If you love the functionality of the Easy Valo but want something that charges even more efficiently, check out the next one.
Product number 5, Easy Valo Charging Station Lights. We have the Easy Valo under cabinet lighting with charging station, priced at $37.98. This option really caught my eye with its built-in charging station. If you want something that combines convenience with style, this is for you. Like the previous Easy Valo lights, these also feature 3 white color temperatures and 12 RGB options. But what sets this apart is the included charging station that can power up to 3 lights at once, keeping everything organized. That means you won't have to deal with multiple chargers cluttering your space. And with motion sensor functionality, you can choose your lighting mode based on your needs, whether it's daytime or nighttime. On the downside, some folks felt the charging station could take up a bit more space than they anticipated. But honestly, if you're looking for a way to keep your lights charged and ready without searching for cables, this is a small compromise for the ease of use. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and organized lighting solution, especially if you have multiple puck lights. Skip this one if counter space is a major concern for you. For the functionality and aesthetics, it's a solid addition to your home. Now, let's wrap everything up and compare these options.
So, to wrap it all up, we've looked at 5 great puck light options today. The MC Gore lights are fantastic for motion sensing needs, while the Amazon Basics lights are a budget-friendly choice for small spots. The Insignia Recessed lights offer superior brightness and versatility, and the Easy Valo puck lights give you plenty of options for both color and control. Finally, the Easy Valo with charging station is perfect for those who want convenience without the clutter. No matter your needs, there's a puck light here for you.